Hello everybody, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, something a little bit different. So if you were following Holo, you see this had amazing move down after an amazing move up. But look at this one day has just wrecked all of this. The question is funny, I had a question in the room about, well, why did this happen? The question more is, why did this happen? I mean, there was really not a lot of news that really should have juiced this stock up from $3 all the way up to 11. But it did. Traders, they get into a feeding frenzy, and that's what happened. There was no specific news that I could see for this other than, okay, now it's time to bail. And look at this. You might have thought maybe a little bit late, but on my 10-day daily breakdown at 946, short at 716, there were some shorts available at Interactive Brokers. Not a lot, about 20,000 or so. So even if at 716 though, you might have said, well, how come not earlier? Well, filter values weren't met, but at 716, right around here, still moved down to about $4. So anyway, want to go back into the room? Come on in, it's free. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.